Zozo, come on.
He just woke up. He acting like he don't know how to get out the car seat. Come on.
Put a little bit of food in your hand.
No, I don't want to.
Where's the damn animals? This must be their day off. They called off today.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I know y'all see it.
It's already there, Mommy.
Roll the back windows down.
It's already there.
What's going on with you? I'm trying to feed this one. Yeah. I got something for you. You don't want to eat none.
Okay.
It's already there. Nothing before they
Yep, look, there's one up here.
You was waiting for me to drop it. My fault.
They're very
Look
there.
at, you see it?
I wasn't
Yeah.
laying down.
Oh, it's getting up.
You must have heard me.
Right there.
Don't throw it. Look it.
Oh, a big one.
Oh yeah.
Look, here comes another one. Look, it's a baby one.
Only in Texas. You will never see.
And that's the other one.
What up, man?
That's the other one.
What up, man? How you doing, man? You good? Good. Let me get you a little more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. That's good. All right, man.
Pull up.
Hey, nice knowing you. Cool.
Baby one.
It just say cheese.
Let's take one the baby one.
You gotta get across. I'll let you get across. Go ahead.
She just dropped it.
Feed him up.
That one like that too.
Yeah.
There. That one like that too.
Hey, you be cool, man. We back. There you go. Oh. Oh, I got you. There you go. All right, take it easy, Marty. Oh, it's like that? Man, you look crazy, man. Every time I see you. Ah, motherfucker. What the fuck? Oh, I'll headbutt your ass right now.
Give me this so you don't drop it.
It's a seasonal.
The camel's right there, babe.
That's big. That big animals.
I'll give you some more. I'm sorry, I dropped it.
Take it down.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man?
No, I'm not.
Let me give you a sample. Ugh. See if you like that. No? Bad throw.
Oh, it's okay, baby. You won't hurt mommy.
Oh, they fell right there.